Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US dollar for 20th April 2021. So this analysis is for 20th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis again. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time. So let's get started. So this is the weekly chart as you can see here. This is the weekly chart of GBP USD. We are looking at a weekly chart first of all because we want to get a picture what the big boys or the big players are doing in the market. So we can see that the present candle is very much bullish. Market after taking support in this level, market is going up. So if you remember in my previous videos, I mentioned that this level is very much crucial, and yes, market has respected this level and market is going up. So considering the weekly candle, we can see that market is bullish, and therefore we should be mainly looking for buying opportunities as per the weekly candle. Okay, now let's switch to our favorite 4 hours time frame. So we can see that market has formed a big green candles and market is going up, and somehow market is getting some price rejection from above. Okay, so this is the picture. Now let's zoom out the chart and let's find out the story. Okay, you can see that one. Okay, wait. Uh, let me try something new here. Instead of just doing numbers, okay, just rounding circles, I can also give you numbers here. I have recently found out this feature in my recording software. Okay, and now you can see that market, okay, market is having some crucial resistance in this particular level. Okay, and see, this is the resistance. This level has got extreme resistance for the market. As a result, after forming these huge green candles, also market faced resistance and market failed or market is struggling to go higher. You can see that this level, okay, this level is acting as a resistance for the market since March. This is the March, okay, since March for the last 1 month. Okay, this is a very crucial level for the market. So this has got extreme resistance, and we can see that overall trend of the market is not towards the upside. Though weekly candle is green, but overall the trend is kind of sideways. Okay, there is no proper trend in the market. So in a market like this, okay, in a market like this, we can easily short the market or sell at resistance and buy at support. But here, just look at the size of these candles. But looking at the size of these candles, we can see that bulls are present in the market. Okay, try to understand the market psychology here. Okay, we can see that bulls are present in the market and they are very much or they were very much bullish and they tried their best to take the market upward. But there are certain players present in the market who did not allow the market to go up. So as a result, market is struggling right now. So if these candles would have been smaller, okay, if these candles would have been smaller, then we can easily sort the market. But right now we can see that candles are very big, which means that, which signifies the buying pressure in the market, the power of the bulls. Okay, as a result, this position is kind of risky. Okay, kind of risky, and if you want to take some risk, then you can short the market. Okay, you can short the market once it crosses this level, because you can see the price is getting rejected from above, because this is the fifth time market is getting resistance here. So what should be a strategy then? As you can see here, market has got resistance here. So first and foremost, if you want to take some risk, okay, if you want to take some risk, then you can short the market right here, or if market crosses this particular level, this level, you can short the market here. Okay, but you need a confirmation can be in the form of a big red candle like this. Okay, if you want to short the market, Okay. Undoubtedly, market is having resistance, but look at these candles. These candles are very much bullish. Therefore, you need confirmation. Confirmation can be in the form of a big red candle or good selling pressure from above. Once you see that yes, there is heavy selling pressure, bears are not allowing the market to go up, then only you should short the market and take the risk. Otherwise, this is not worth the point. If these candles would have been smaller, you can easily short the market here. In this particular chart for GBP USD, the safest entry will be this level 1.3670. Okay, so in comparison to this particular level, this level is much more safe. So in case you find the market around this particular level, okay, you can easily go for a buy once market reverses from here. Okay, but as of now, if you want to take some risk and short the market here, you can, but this will be a little bit risky in comparison to other sideways market because the candles are big, which means that bulls are not in a mood to to go down easily. Therefore, be careful. And if you get the market around this particular price level, this is the best price level for you to buy. Okay, you can short the market if you short the market here takes by taking some risk, you'll be making some profit because market is also in overbought. So consider these factors. Okay, overall market is a good place to short the market, but these candles have made us to think whether this is a proper place to trade or not. Okay, if you want to take risk, then short the market or sell just below this level. Okay, once you get a confirmation in the form of a big red candle. Red candle, this confirmation is important that yes, market is about to go down. Otherwise, be careful, do not short the market if you do not get any confirmation. Okay, because overall we saw that market is bullish in the weekly chart also, and these candles are very much bullish. Okay, so be careful. So if you ask me, this is the best spot. This is the best spot to buy. And this is kind of risky. In case you get the market below this level, you can short, but be careful. So this is the analysis for GBP USD and the strategy that you can follow for GBP USD for 20th April 2021. Hopefully you have understood. And if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.